Getting started with Circuit Avionics. We'll go through the installation, connection, and finally loading and assigning an aircraft profile. This video accompanies the Getting Started page on the Circuit Avionics website. You'll find all of the links and downloads at that page. An important notice before we start. If you see this window at any point during the installation, you must click Cancel. The window says, modules found that are compatible with MobiFlight. Do not upload the firmware to these devices. Click Cancel. With that out of the way, let's get started. First, download and install MobiFlight. In the MobiFlight folder, find mfconnector.exe. There may be a program update, as shown here. You can accept these type of updates. We get some information about the latest release. MSFS users should install the module when prompted. It's up to you whether you want to provide community feedback to the MobiFlight developers. Hop presets are handy if you're going to be developing new aircraft profiles. Otherwise, you can turn these reminders off in the program settings. If you're flying in X-plane, that's it for installation, no additional modules are required. If you're flying in FSX, P3D, or flying in MSFS using certain aircraft such as the PMD G737, you'll need an additional module called FSU IPC. The link is here. On the FSU IPC website, download the version that's relevant to your simulator. Installation is straightforward. At the registration window, click Skip. Connection. Fire up Flight Sim. Let's start in something like a default Cessna. Plug in your new hardware. The lights might flicker momentarily while the device initializes. At the bottom of the MobiFlight window, check the status of both the module connection and the connection to Flight Sim. If everything is green, you're good to go. 3. Aircraft Profile. On the website, navigate to Aircraft Profiles. Choose your product. If you have both, just choose one for now. There are several aircraft profiles available. Don't forget that you can also make your own and share them with other pilots. Select the default aircraft profile. Each aircraft profile comes with information explaining its functions. At the bottom is the button to download the aircraft profile. Back in MobiFlight, use the File menu and open the profile you just downloaded. Now you can see all the functions are listed. There's an Input tab and an Output tab. You're free to edit any of this. Setup is nearly complete. A window popped up asking you which piece of hardware the profile should be assigned to. We only need to do this once, but it's important we get it right. Select the profile in the bigger box at the top. Then, click on the drop-down menu underneath and choose the correct module. In this case, we are assigning the Autopilot profile to the Autopilot unit. Next, click the Assign button. Then finally, click OK. Save the profile so it remembers which piece of hardware it's assigned to. You're ready to go. Click the Run button and your device will light up. Going forward, all you'll have to do is open MobiFlight and click Run. Before you go flying, there are a couple of other things I wanted to mention. First, PMDG 737 users should read the profile notes because you need to turn on PMDG's data broadcast feature. Next, to add another device, for example a radio alongside your autopilot, use the File menu then click Merge. Find the aircraft profile for the other device and press Open. This time we're assigning the radio profile to the radio device. Now, again, we hit Run, and both devices light up. One common question: what are these red warnings which come with the warning, precondition not satisfied? The answer is, they are meant to be there. The reason is given in the documentation section of the website. That's all, folks.